What if you could plan an entire trip in less than a minute using AI? In this video, I'm going to show you Wonderplan AI, a free travel planning tool that creates personalized itineraries based on your destination, budget range, interests, and travel style. Instead of spending hours searching blogs, videos, and travel websites, Wonderplan asks you a few simple questions and then generates a complete day-by-day travel plan almost instantly. To get started, you enter your destination, travel dates, budget range, who you're traveling with, and the activities you're interested in, such as food exploration, sightseeing, nightlife, shopping, or outdoor adventures. After that, the AI creates a customized itinerary with suggested places to visit, activities, and accommodation recommendations. One of the best features is that you can adjust the itinerary if you want to change the order of activities or replace certain locations. The platform also lets you save your plans and export them as a PDF, which can be useful when traveling without an internet connection. Another thing many users like is how simple the interface is. You don't need any travel planning experience, and the whole process feels quick and beginner-friendly. Looking at user feedback from around the web, the biggest advantage is definitely convenience. Many people say Wonderplan helps them get a solid starting point for a trip in just a few minutes, saving a lot of research time. However, there are also some drawbacks. A number of reviewers found that changing budgets or travel profiles doesn't always create dramatically different itineraries, and some users reported limitations with editing features and destination support. Others pointed out that AI-generated recommendations should always be double-checked because opening hours, prices, and local conditions can change. So while Wonderplan is helpful, it's not something you should follow blindly without verifying important details. My overall opinion is that Wonderplan works best as an inspiration and planning assistant rather than a complete travel planner. If you want a fast way to generate ideas and organize a trip, it's definitely worth trying, especially since it's free. But if you're planning a complex vacation, you'll probably still want to do some additional research before booking anything. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.